Green stormwater infrastructure are engineered features in the landscape that help us manage stormwater. The stormwater is generated when it rains on hard surfaces. We have vegetation, we have these features above ground that are much more aesthetically pleasing, that can provide all these benefits, like feeding those plants. We're providing pollinator habitat, multiple different services.
A lot of urban areas have a lot of non-porous material, concrete, buildings, and when there are large rain events, there will be a lot of runoff, and thus a lot of nutrients and pollutants will flow into waterways.
So we do a lot of research out in the environment in these actual green stormwater infrastructure systems. We have sensors, we collect water samples, we collect soil samples to help us understand how well they're working and how we can do better.
One day I want to be able to live in a city which has streams and ecosystems which are rich and biodiverse, and I want to be a part of the force that builds that future. The goal of bioretention is kind of two parts. One half is to retain stormwater during a storm, and that reduces flooding downstream. And then the other half of that is it improves the quality of that water. There's interactions with soil particles, and there's interaction with plants growing in the soil, and that removes nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, metals. It removes sediment traveling in the soil, and it can remove pathogens in the water.
In the Lancaster stormwater project, what we are looking at is how the de-icing road salts that are generally applied during the winter are impacting those performances. Generally, we believe because like GSIs, they are supposed to accumulate metals, but because of the salts that are coming into those basins, they are actually leaching out some of the metals and impacting the water quality. One day, maybe some of the cities can have more nature-based solutions. The water would be relatively cleaner and habitats would be happier.
Environmental or ecological engineering is about leveraging the power of the environment, of nature, to help us provide solutions.